Good evening, viewers. Samnian Saise NLTV Digital News. Moaze Chumong Lapom, Kobrek Taina Janaitibo. Tangkhul Frontal Bra witness din UNC aegis majode FMR and Consequential border fencing la khilaf ekta mass rally Ukhrul Headquarters te ayojan Khashim. Mass rally de manu bishi jama hoikina TKS, TSL, Zingsho Aze Longphang la Incharge te Dungrei Junction and Kharasom Junction bra loikina Dungrei Junction tak march Khashim. Kharasom Junction na Incharge to TSL ato Zingtun Longphang Khashim. Rally de MLA Leishiyo Keishing, MLA Ramnganing Muivah, MLA Khashim, Vashum, President UNC Secretary General, NPMHR President, Naga Hoho Aro Convener, Global Naga Forum Bra speech dishe.
Distinguished Naga leaders of the various Naga organizations that is present here today, Naga elders, ladies and gentlemen, and Naga brothers and sisters. It is an honor for me to be here with you once again. We've been here in this very ground a couple of months back. We were in Hon'ble just last week, and today we're back here. It is an honor to be in a place where human activities are taking place for a just and noble cause. Unfortunately, in many parts of the Naga areas, people are getting distracted, issues are getting burned out, people have stopped loving each other, people have stopped thinking, people only knows how to get angry and hate each other. But the fire of love, the fire of patriotism and nationalism is strong in this part of the world, and this fire must reach to every nook and corner of the Naga homeland. And today, it is an honor for me to be here once again. I don't want to say much things today. I don't want to repeat the things that we've been saying, but I just wanted to say that Nagas have come to a situation where we're almost dying out. Our journey has been tired and very long. People are losing out in so many ways. And in the midst of all this confusion, in the midst of all this discouragement and frustration, I want to thank the government of India for enacting these anti-people decisions again, which is bringing us back on an issue, the withdrawal of free movement regime. I want to thank the government of India because on these common issues affecting all of us, we're gathered again to fight together despite our little differences. And in the first place, we don't need any permission from any government, from any authority to live together, to visit each other, nor where to eat, where to sleep. But some alien system of government has been keeping on imposing its laws and decisions that are alien to us. So for all these years we have struggled, for all this year we have fought. Our elders in the past, who were almost illiterate, who didn't have much strength and resources to fight, they stood for our rights and they maintained our identity. They have given their everything, their life, their everything. They have done their part, for which we're still alive with our little identity. On our part, I think the time has come also for us to say thank you in action to our ancestors. So this free movement regime and the division that has been imposed on us is an opportunity for us to rally together despite the differences that has been confusing us in the present system. And in this, I must once again confess that the people here gathered here under the aegis of the Tangkhul Naga, you are once again at the forefront of the Naga heart and soul. For many years, Nagas in other parts of so-called Nagaland, north, south, west, east, whatever, although there is no such other divisions, people call us by names and we follow them without understanding the meanings of this name. But today, you are in the front to lead us again where others have failed. Distinguished
The cover link digital news at the Kharasom Cross. International news updates by the Gules at the Nagaland TV.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hon'ble Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.